consider a guide for the sum as goal, medicine, and density. The statement of teaching philosophy may include, but not limited to, your personal theory of learning. What happens, or as your teacher, what happened inside students when they learn. So, ano yung mga graph, mga idea, para maka-start ka. The goals for instruction, the rule or responsibilities of teacher and student in the process. A description of the variables which promote learning. So, since I was kaning wala ko nag-consult kay ma'am about sa nani kay mag-listen ko kay gamay ko siyang topic tapos dili siya for multiple choice kay anan si ma'am mapahimongon din daw og inani pero kay nga 3 pages daw yun so hindi. So ang gagawin natin is a statement na lang. Yung parang you can do whatever you want pero kaning dili lang siya mula pa sa walang crosswise or dili lang pod 1/4 na ilalakagamay. So all you have to do is to create your own personal teaching philosophy. But dili siya sabihin ka ng kaning wala kayo, di ba kayo requirement kung na mo kayo, butang naman sa narrative report. So, kailangan nyo magbuhat na yung basa niyo sa ako, whatever you want, siya means pwede po talagang over yung nila yung kaayo. So, inali lang siya, as a science teacher, make your personal teaching philosophy. So, wala na akong i-include nyo nga, hindi nyo na ako kayo kasi yung personal teaching philosophy must relate kung saan ka major. For example, science. So, you must teach science. However, siguro karon kay, basin magkapareha mag ng teaching philosophy because we are based on science, then I require you to make your teaching philosophy regardless of the subjects na yung gusto i-develop. So, ano lang siya? So, di mo mag-relate sa science, pwede i-relate, pwede sa debate. So, kamo ay bahala. Pero kasi, kanin mo siya a sort of craft ninyo sa inyong personal teaching philosophy para sa inyo later na